So this video is just to explain your activity for today. So the sub should have passed out the salmon colored two-sided sheet. You have that picture of the velocity graph on your front, and then the position is on the back. So what you're going to do is you have the velocity graph, but you're going to write what the scenario would be. Normally the ones we've seen, it gives us a paragraph scenario, and then you use that to write the velocity graph or to draw the velocity graph. Well, you're going to do the reverse. Based on this velocity graph, you're going to write what the scenario is. Now, it's probably going to be easiest if you just do a scale of 1 for both your seconds and your meters per second. If you prefer to switch those scales, you could, but that should be reflected in your story. Now, when I say a story, I don't need once upon a time and all this. I need several sentences that would, if you handed it to someone, they would be able to create this exact velocity graph. That's what I'm looking for in terms of stories. In your story, name the characters, and then you can label which velocity graph is who. So character A goes this velocity for this amount of time. So again, you should be able to hand it to someone else and they would be able to come up with this velocity graph. Then from there, do your t-chart, do your position graph, and answer each of the follow-up questions. This will be collected at the end of the period, and you'll get a correctness grade on it. So you can think of it as kind of like it's a problem set or a little mini quiz. I would like you to work on it individually, but you can use your packet, calculator, all that stuff. So if you're stuck on something, look back to how we did it in the packet and use that as a guide to help you out. But I would like you to work on it individually otherwise. So good luck, and you'll be working on this for the entire period.